it's been an amazing to have a NEARCON in San Francisco. I appreciate everyone really coming here, engaging. I've been hearing amazing feedback. The venue is stunning. The people are amazing. We have a great mix of the crypto people, the AI people, the enterprises, really coming together, learning, figuring out how we do things together. We had amazing speakers across the kind of blockchain and AI space, wider tech space, researchers, journalists, all coming together to learn and kind of explore where we're going across privacy, across sovereignty, across economics and commerce, and how do we really bring all of these pieces together. So thank you all for joining this new version of NEARCON. We're going to continue bringing this, and thank you very much. I also want to thank the team that put it together. It was an insane amount of work. You guys rock, and we're doing a lot of this remotely, which is super hard. And so thank you very much for doing this. We've had amazing announcements from Near team across near.com and Confidential Intents. Like, this is, to me, like the product that the crypto been waiting for enabling mass adoption. You don't need to think about gas fees. You don't need to think about delinking your wallets. You don't need to think about different chains. It's all in one place, all really accessible, all confidential. Amazing work by the Near Intents team. We had a fee switch enabling really kind of buy pressure for Near token, creating all of this transaction fees that are flowing to really power value accrual for Near. We had Iron Claw, which I'm really excited. It's enabling the kind of a way for everyone to have this personal agent that it can work on your behalf, work with you, and kind of save you time, save you pain. We have Nightshade 3.0. This is, again, something we've designed Nightshade, 10 blocks away from here originally. Then we had 2.0 a few years ago with new ideas, and now I'm honestly just excited about this because this is something that I've been working on since 2018. So really exciting to see the evolution and having the private shard live. So lots of excitement announcements, obviously other projects in ecosystem broadly presenting things. And we're living in an exciting time, right? The kind of technology is moving faster and faster. I feel it from our team. Everybody's working extremely hard because it feels like we are here with, you can dream something up, you can come up with ideas, and you can put them into production not so kind of long after. You can iterate quickly, you can learn from the market, and you can learn from your users. And so it's really exciting to have this, and really exciting to push the envelope of what's possible. It's personally exciting because, I've been thinking of AI. The first time I learned about AI was the artificial intelligence movie when I was 10. And ever since, that captured my mind because that is, if the computer was a bicycle for your mind, AI is a rocket ship, right? It's really powering us through to the new horizon. And, I've been working on this. I was contributing to Transformers. We tried, to build the coding assistant effectively and full end-to-end coding in 2017. We realized we needed the infrastructure to coordinate the people and data and build a blockchain. And now we bring it all together to really enable how to do privacy, how to do commerce, and how to do sovereignty for everyone with this. So you shouldn't need to choose between tech and kind of what you think you're going to do. I think we all going to be enabled by this to really do the things we enjoy. I don't think there's something to be scared of with this technology. It's really about empowering us to do greater things, better things we enjoy and love to do at all times. So thank you very much. And I'm really excited where we're going to be at the end of this year and going next. And enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.